Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term figurative language. Introduction. Figurative language is a captivating aspect of human expression, deviating from the standard meanings of words or the conventional word order to achieve special meanings or effects. It encompasses various literary devices that enrich language, making it indispensable in all modes of discourse. The study of figurative language finds its roots in Aristotle and classical rhetoricians, with Roman Quintilian's Institute of Oratory providing a comprehensive and influential treatment. This video examines the concept of figurative language, its classification, and its significance in literary and rhetorical expression. Classification of figurative language. The classification of figurative language is typically divided into two main classes: figures of thought or tropes and figures of speech or rhetorical figures. Tropes involve using words or phrases in a way that deviates conspicuously from their standard meaning, while rhetorical figures involve a departure in the order or syntactical pattern of words. Though this distinction is not rigid, it provides a useful framework for analysis. Notable tropes include simile and metaphor, while metonymy and synecdoche are examples of rhetorical figures. Notable tropes. Simile. A simile explicitly indicates a comparison between two distinct things using words like or as. For instance, Robert Burns compares his love to a red rose. In S.T. Coleridge's The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, he uses a simile to describe icebergs as green as emerald. Metaphor. In a metaphor, a word or expression used in its literal sense is applied to something entirely different without asserting a comparison. For instance, when Stephen Spender describes the eye's perception of a landscape as an eye, gazelle, delicate wanderer, drinker of horizon's fluid line, he employs metaphor to evoke vivid imagery. Notable figures. Metonymy. Metonymy involves using a term for one thing to signify another closely associated with it through common experience. For example, the crown can be used to represent a king, or Hollywood for the film industry. Synecdoche. In synecdoche, a part of something is used to represent the whole or vice versa. For instance, 10 hands may represent 10 workmen, or wheels may signify an automobile. Personification. Personification imbues inanimate objects or abstract concepts with human attributes or emotions. Milton's description of weeping drops when Adam bit into the apple in Paradise Lost exemplifies personification. Significance and evolution. While these figures add depth and richness to language, they have also been the subject of intense analysis and debates among rhetoricians, linguists, literary critics, and philosophers. Metaphors, in particular, have garnered significant attention due to their pervasive use and versatility. Scholars such as I.A. Richards, have explored metaphors, elements, the tenor or subject, and vehicle or metaphorical term to better understand their function in communication. Furthermore, figurative language has played a crucial role in the evolution of linguistic expression, with many words that are now taken as literal having originated from metaphors used in the distant past. The use of figurative language has not only persisted but also evolved, offering diverse expressions and insights into human thought and emotion. Conclusion. In conclusion, figurative language is a fundamental aspect of human expression, transcending linguistic boundaries to evoke emotions, create imagery, and convey complex ideas. From the classical roots in Aristotle's rhetoric to contemporary critical theories, scholars have engaged in in-depth analysis of figurative language, revealing its profound influence on literature and communication. This video only scratches the surface of a multifaceted subject that continues to captivate and inspire scholars across disciplines. So this was the discussion on the term figurative language. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.